Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed that the government of Meghalaya has decided to postpone the elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council in view of the prevailing situation in the Garo Hills region. In a message shared on Wednesday, the Chief Minister stated that the decision was taken after assessing the current circumstances and the difficulties faced by the public. The new dates for the GHA-DC elections are expected to be announced at a later stage.
Dear friends, keeping the current prevailing situation that is prevailing in Garo Hills right now and keeping the sentiments of the people in mind, the government of Meghalaya has decided to postpone the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. We will sit and we will decide on how to further take this procedure ahead. But till then, the decision has been made to postpone the elections.